Hi everyone, it's Robin and welcome back. So today is a very exciting day here on my channel. Well, at least for me anyways. I have one room completely decorated for fall and ready to share with you guys, and I'm so excited to see what you guys think. So I decided to start in my bedroom this year, and I am so glad I did it because I absolutely love how it turned out, and I'm so excited to get started on the rest of the house now. So if you watch my recent fall decor haul, you'll know that I decided to go with a different color scheme this year in my bedroom based off of some flowers that are in my backyard. So I have these hydrangea bushes and they are turning these beautiful shades of purple and green. So I decided to take this gorgeous purple color and use that as my accent color. And I am so glad I did because it turned out really good. So before I go any further, I want to remind you to hit that like and subscribe button. And of course, come over and join me on Instagram as well. That would be wonderful of you. So let's go ahead and see what I've done in my bedroom. For the bedside tables, I kept things very simple. On my husband's side of the bed, I made an arrangement of simple purple hydrangeas and placed them inside of a milk glass container, and then I just added a little pumpkin and some greenery. On my side of the bed, I made another arrangement with some stems from Michael's and placed it in a matching milk glass container, and then added some pumpkins and corralled everything together on a vintage silver tray. I also added a votive for a little candlelight along with a vintage silver and glass coaster to hold my water glass in case I'm feeling just a little parched during the night. On the bed, I added a super soft and cozy blanket in a deep dark purple color, which I think is absolutely beautiful. It's from Target and I layered it over my everyday white coverlet. And I am absolutely loving the contrast between the two colors. I stacked the bed with a bunch of soft poofy pillows, all in my basic white linens, and then added 2 accent pillows in front. I made the white pillow a while back, but I just finished this gorgeous purple velvet pillow cover. I picked the fabric up at Hobby Lobby in case you're wondering. The cover itself is just a simple envelope style pillow cover with no frills, but the fabric, oh my goodness, it is so soft and the color is so rich and beautiful. I absolutely love how it turned out. And speaking of pillows, I have a new bed pillow to share with you too. It's from Adoric and they sent it to me to try out, and I have to say, I'm pretty impressed. It comes rolled up in this little tube, and after removing the packaging around it, you pop it in the dryer for 10 minutes. And after it comes out, you have this incredibly dense puffy pillow. I don't know about you guys, but I love puffy pillows. It's their bamboo shredded memory foam pillow, and it's perfect for side, stomach, and back sleepers. It's a high loft pillow with a medium firm rating, but you can easily customize it by adding or removing the foam to meet your needs. And here's a little tidbit about me. When it comes to pillows, I have to confess, I am probably what you would call a pillow snob. It seems to be a running joke in my house because I am so picky about the pillows that I use, and I am very pleased that this one has kept its shape and not gone flat on me. It comes with a nice quilted zipper cover made from a cooling bamboo, and it's breathable and washable. The second zippered cover holds the shredded memory foam securely in place, and let me just note that the shredded memory foam is very nice and soft and not at all lumpy like cubed memory foam can be. Instead, the pillow is soft enough to be super comfortable and fluffy, yet firm enough to keep my head held up all night long without having to fluff it, countless times. Adoric is offering a 10% off discount code to my viewers, good through September 15th, 2020. I'll make sure to list their link and the coupon code down in the description box for you to check out. Alright, so moving on to the rest of the room, what do you think about my headboard? This is the closest thing I have to a mantle, so I thought it would be fun to make a big lush display. I added a lovely vintage oval mirror to the middle and then filled up the rest of the space with candles, pumpkins, greenery, and fresh clipped hydrangeas from my yard. The pumpkins I used are in various shades of purple, along with the white candle pumpkin that I picked up at Target. At night it glows and flickers like a candle, and it is so pretty. The wood candlesticks were a recent thrift store makeover. You may remember I shared that last week. I'll link it below in case you missed it. But I think that they blend so beautifully with the mirror and look amazing tucked into the greenery and the flowers. And how beautiful are these hydrangeas? I wish I could remember the name of them, but I didn't keep the tag. During the summer, they are a pretty light blue and purple color, and then they slowly deepen into this dark plum and green color, which is so gorgeous. If you're interested in seeing how I went about constructing this display, I'll be sharing that along with a few other goodies I have planned for my fall decor in my behind the scenes video I plan to share after my fall home tour on September 21st, so be on the lookout for that. All in all, I am so pleased with how this room turned out. I am loving the pops of bold, vibrant color, and I think it looks cozy and ready for fall. So I hope you enjoyed this first fall decorating video. I am absolutely pleased with how the room turned out. I am in love with that deep dark purple color. I always liked purple, but I don't know, for some reason that dark, moody, vibrant purple is just speaking to me lately, and I am absolutely loving it with all of the white that I normally have in the room. I just think it pops out at you and just grabs a hold of you, and it just makes the room look so cozy and beautiful, and I just love it. So hopefully you guys enjoy it as much as I do. I would love to know what you think down in the comments, so make sure you leave me a comment down below, and of course check out the description box for all the information that I talked about in this video. So thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you again very soon in my next video. Bye now.